In this video we show how you can build a list control in a UX component where each row in the list contains a little Google map showing the location of the place in the row. So you can see that we have here a simple list control, and this list is based on static data, and the actual data that's used in the list is sample data that comes with Alpha Anywhere. So you can see here we have some geographic sample data. So each row in this sample data here has a name, city, state, and then a value for latitude and longitude. So we've selected our static data, and then we've gone over to the list properties and we've set the layout type to be freeform. And then in the list template, you can see here that in the template we've specified, let's just zoom this up so we can see a little bit more of it. We've specified that the template contains the name field, the city field, and the state field. And then we've specified that there's an image, so you can see here's the image tag. Let's just move it onto its own line so we can see more of it. Then on the image tag we've set the style to be float right, and then for the image source we're basically using the template function. So this is inside our template. By specifying the @ sign, we've indicated that we're going to be calling a JavaScript function that's going to return the value that is going to be rendered. So this JavaScript function a5.map.static is going to return the URL from the Google Maps API that represents the image for the map that will be displayed in this image tag. So you can see there's the end of the image tag over there. So the image tag has a style float right, which causes the maps to be right justified in each line. And then inside the a5.map.static function, we're going to pass in a JSON object that represents the details of the map we'd like to render. Now, since we're already inside a curly bracket over here, we need to escape this curly bracket, which represents the start of the JSON object, with a \, and similarly we need to escape this curly bracket, which represents the end of the JSON object, with another \, and then the same thing is true over there. So the a5.map.static function takes a JSON object that has properties that represent the width of the map, that's 200 pixels, the height of the map, which is 200 pixels, and then another property which is an array of markers that you'd like to put onto the map. So for each object in this array we have location, and then we have latitude, which is this field over here, the latitude field, followed by longitude, which is the value in the longitude column, and then another property called zoom, where we set the zoom state of the map itself. And then we've just specified after the map a break clear both, because of the float here we need to turn floats off. So having done that, now you can see when we go and we render the component, you can see that the calls to the Google API to get the static bitmaps for these images here is very quick, and the map renders extremely quickly here. So for each row in the map, in the list, we're seeing basically the position of this record on the map over there. So this is a very nice technique that you can use in your maps, in your list controls, and also in your client-side templates in your UX components. Thanks very much for watching.